Good morning, students. I am Raman Gupta from Government College Bara, and in this video, we are going to discuss one of the important characters of the novel The Mayor of Casterbridge, written by Thomas Hardy. We have studied some characters in the previous videos, and in the series of those videos, this is the next video in which I will share the character sketch of Lucetta Templeman. Lucetta Templeman, students, is one of the important characters related to that some important incidents of the novel revolves. So let's start. Like Michael Henchard, Lucetta Templeman lives recklessly according to her passions and suffers for it. Before arriving in Casterbridge, Lucetta becomes involved in a scandalously indiscreet affair with Henchard that makes her path the pariah of Jersey. Pariah of Jersey. So she was not a very reputed lady. After settling in High Place Hall, Lucetta quickly becomes enamored with Henchard's arrival. Farfrey, their relationship is peaceful until the town learns of Lucetta's past relationship with Henchard. Lucetta had a relationship with Henchard. Actually, when Henchard sold his wife Suzanne and his daughter Elizabeth to Newson, he had some relations with Lucetta Templeman, whereupon they make her the subject of a shameful skimity ride. They were given the punishment of skimity ride when it was in air that Henchard, who was the mayor of the Casterbridge, had some relations with Lucetta. They had to face shame in the city, and when the matter was taken to the judge, they were given the punishment of skimity ride. Students, in those days, skimity ride was the punishment which was given to the people, to the accused who were involved in illegal relations. Although warned of these likely consequences, Lucetta proceeds to love whomever she wants, however she pleases. Still, her character lacks the boldness and certainty of purpose that would elevate her to the level of the isolated, damned, and self-destructive individualist that critic Albert Grad describes as the great 19th century myth. Lucetta emerges not as heroic. She was not a heroic character, but as childish and imprudent. So, her character is not considered a stable character or a grave character. On the contrary, she is considered as childish and imprudent. Her love for Farfrae, for example, hinges on her refusal to accept Henchard's visits for several days. A refusal that makes her seem more petty than resolute. Similarly, her rapidly shifting affections Farfrae eclipses Henchard as the object of her desire with amazing, almost ridiculous speed. Brand her as an emotionally volatile Victorian female. Emotionally volatile Victorian female. One whose sentiments are strong enough to cause the most melodramatic of deaths. She died. In the novel, she died with the having some feeling of guilt. So, this is all about the character of Lucetta Templeman. This is not generally asked in exams, but this can be asked as there are less female characters in the novel. So, Lucetta is one of the female characters in the novel which can be discussed. So, I have explained some major points related to her character in this video. I hope you have understood, and you can prepare your own notes. Students, one thing I want to tell you that I'll drop some PDF notes in the group also, and if you open the group you can get that notes also, and you can study and take help from them. Thank you and have a nice day.